So we solved square root equations. Now we're going to solve a cube root equation. And the great thing is you do the same thing you do with the square root. You isolate the square root or the cube root, and then you solve for the variable. So here we go. We're going to say I've got this whole equation. You start with the thing furthest away. It's the opposite of PEMDAS. I'm going to add and subtract first. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides because that's 0. So I have 2 over here equals, and then this would be 3, 5n minus 1 to the 1/3 power. And I just got rid of the 2, and then now I'm going to get rid of the 3. It's 3 times the square root of 5n, or the cube root of 5n that is stuck together. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 1 times something, the identity property, is 5n minus 1 to the 1/3 power equals 2/3. Okay? And then now I'm going to get rid of my radical, okay, my rational expression, exponent, I mean. So, and you just do the inverse, the reciprocal. So that's 1/3. So I'm going to take that to the 3 over 1 power. And I'll take this to the 3. That's just cubing it, right? 3 over 1 is just 3. Okay, so I'm going to cube both sides. And when I do that, those cancel out. And so anything to the first power is just that thing. It just stays the same. Equals. And then now this is 8 over 27, right? Because I cube the 2, and then I cube also the 3. 2 cubed is 8. And 3 cubed is 27. Okay. Now I'm going to, oh dear. Now I'm going to get rid of the 1. So I'm going to add 1 to both sides. Right, that's 0, so I have 5n equals, and I'll do this on my calculator, 8/27 plus 1. Okay, so I'll clear, and I'm going to do alpha y equals, enter, and I've got 8 over 27, and the arrow over, and then plus 1. And that is 35 over 27. Okay, so 5n equals 35 over 27. Okay, now I have 5 times n, so I want to divide by 5, and I'm going to divide this fraction by 5, both sides by 5. Okay, so that gives me n by itself. And then now I have this fraction divided by 5, so I can do that on my calculator. I have a fraction. Right, but my numerator is also a fraction. So I'm going to do alpha y equals again. So I can do the 35 over 27 divided by 5. And I'll hit enter. So that's 7 over 27. All right, so n equals 7 over 27. And that is my answer. That's my solution. Okay, I'm going to check and see if it's an extraneous root by substituting back into my original equation.